quick video on this bike lock my sister gave me. Thank you, Megan, by the way. And this thing's pretty awesome. I just got a new bike and I'm figuring this thing out, and I want to show it off to you. So it has these mounts so that when you're not using it, it mounts underneath your seat here for the, maybe I can get it out. Yeah, there we go. So that's part of it. And then, you know, for if you're riding at night and stuff, check that out. So it's got lights, so you're legal driving at night there. And then for the front, this is the other side of the lock. So you have a light. It's really cool. And it comes with these nice keys. You can see right there. Comes right out. And you just log it right in. Which I can't do because I only have one hand, but let me see. Just like that. And it's really heavy duty. It's great. I love it. And that's called the Illumilock blade.